I'm going to do an eyeshadow look with 3 of the shadows that are on sale. So I'm going to start with Holly, which is a matte shade. I rarely do eyeshadow videos because I feel like I can never get the camera angle correct where you could actually see, but I'm putting this in the outer corner of my eye. This is just going to be an easy look. And just going up toward the end of my brow. In the middle, I'm putting Ginger, which is a really nice bronzy shimmer. And I'm putting that on the middle of my lid. And it blends really nicely into Holly. And inner corner, I'm using As You Wish, which is sort of a kind of French vanilla type color. And that's just going right in that inner corner and around the tear duct. And just blend. And then for underneath, instead of a liner, I'm gonna take that ginger and go right under the lashes. So hopefully you can see that. It's a really nice warm color and it looks really good with green eyes. It makes them pop. Have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions.